Hello, in this video, I'll talk about a website where you can practice automation. I'll not only show you the website, but I'll show you how you can create your own website, right? To simply see it, you can click on this practice option that is coming on the top and then click on automation practice site, right? Which will land you to a site, right? You can create your own site like this, right? So what I did is I have created various sections under it, right? So based on different levels, like for example, in basic, you will see that the basic text box are there and drop down is there, right? If you type a password here, like it will come as star, right? Like the way you expect. Different kinds of buttons are there. You can enable notifications here, right? So this enablement is there. If we go to intermediate, we have this drag, like this dragging option is there. You can download a file or upload a file. You can drag and drop, and there are different date pickers as well, right? This kind, I'll fix this, the problem that this is coming over here, right? Plus date and date time, right? This is most probably you'll find in your enterprise level things, right? You can type to search, right? So I can type, right, playwright or something, right? So you can select this kind of drop down things and all, right? This loading button here, you can click and just paste. It will automatically copy paste, right? And there are some difficult elements, right, which you need some tool, or if you have worked on it, then only you'll able to solve it, right? So all of that I have put it here. Similarly, the most important part is that you should always know how to design a workflow or something, right? So for that, I have put business over here, right? So you can do a scenario, right? Firstly, you can register and then you can log in, and then these buttons will get enabled and you can do a full end-to-end scenario, right? So likewise, there is system, like these are some complex scenario, session storage, cookies, all of this you can practice with your automation, right? And likewise, there are show hidden elements, and if you want to load any API data, right, this lazy loading and all, you can check it out, that you, and this will make even calls in the back end, so you can test that. So how I created this, it did not took me much time to create it, right? So I added just prompt here, right? And as you see, GitHub Spark Dreamer Secret, right? So you can implement any of your ideas as web app by giving a prompt. That prompt I have put in this prompt library, right? You can come to under gaurav AI, right? There is a prompt library, right? And here you'll see that practice automation website builder, right? So if you want to try, you can build it, but otherwise you can use the site that I have already created, and you can create similar things. Let's say you are not able to get hold of an element, right? And it is part of some website that you are testing. So you can just take that portion of it and ask GitHub Spark to create a similar element with that. Right here, you can create it. You can use this prompt with GitHub Copilot or Cursor anywhere. Can get a local website as well, right? Which will open on your local host, right? If you want to share it with everyone, then GitHub Spark is a great option. In this series of vibe coding, right, in previous I have told how to use it, right, and then how to publish it for everyone by hosting it free, right, on your GitHub account, right? If you check both these videos on this agentic AI, you will be able to do it, right? So hope you like this idea with AI, like how easily I could have created this without writing any much code, right? And also, if there are any problems, just let me know in comments. I am happy to fix it, right? I'll fix this one, and right, the right click is not working here. So these two problems I saw that AI has created, but there are problems in this, right? And that also I can fix it by giving the prompt here, right, that I have explained in the previous video, right? I can go to this particular section and I can check it out, that okay, that this particular portion is not coming, right, or this is not coming in a right way, right? So I can give a prompt like, let's try to, I'll fix it, and you will once the video is released, you will see that this is working as well, right? So hope you like it, and you can subscribe to my channel. Look at the playlist, various playlists I have created, right, for various certifications and using AI automation and testing. Thank you so much for watching.